Hi, Brandon Lewis of Embedded Computing Design, and I'm here at Embedded World 2019 at booth 3A528. That's the Embedded Computing Design booth. And with me here I have Lee Foss, who's the founder and CEO of Advanced Micro Peripherals. How are you doing, Lee?
Splendid.
Excellent. So today we're going to be talking a little bit about rugged video systems, and Lee here is going to be giving a presentation at the booth on some of the developments in that area. What can you tell me about that you're going to be speaking on today, Lee?
Well, it's really about complexity in video signals and the variety of video sensors that our customers and OEM partners are having to deal with, and ways around handling this complexity and taking advantage of the new video signals and resolutions that are available.
Very good. So are you seeing a requirement to move more and more of that capability closer to the video source itself, or do you see it being housed more in a data center environment, or both?
It's both, really, but our particular emphasis is in the industrial sector, industrial and military sector, where the requirement often is to do with the speed of capture, the resolution of capture, and crucially, the ability to combine videos from different sources into a single data bundle, which might include other metadata like location, position, the speed of a moving platform, the attitude of it, and so on and so forth. So there is a tendency to try and get more intelligence into embedded video these days, and that is an area that we are really focusing on.
Very good. So if you're interested in learning more, come by booth 3A528 and listen to Lee Foss here talk about how we're adding more and more intelligence to video streams for industrial, smart city, transport, infrastructure, you name it, right, Lee?
And military and industrial.
And military and industrial. Thanks a lot, Lee.